Hi everyone, I'm Noah, and I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Allie, and it's so nice to see you again.
Today, we're going to try something a little different.
Really? What are we doing today?
We're going to practice English together. But here's the best part. You don't have to think too much.
That already sounds nice. Sometimes I understand English. I know the words. But when it's my turn to speak, my brain suddenly slows down.
And that's completely normal. It happens to millions of English learners. Sometimes we spend so much time trying to make the perfect sentence that we forget to simply speak.
That's exactly how I feel. I keep asking myself, is this right? Should I say it another way? And before I know it, the conversation has already moved on.
Then today, let's do something different. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about perfect pronunciation. Don't even worry about making your own sentences. Just listen and speak with me.
That's all?
That's all. You don't have to be fast. You don't have to be perfect. Just stay with us, one sentence at a time.
I can do that. Actually, I'm excited.
Good. Today, we're going to spend the day together. We'll wake up. We'll make breakfast. We'll go outside. We'll have simple conversations. And without even noticing, you'll be speaking English the whole time.
I like that. It feels like we're just spending the day together.
Exactly. That's the idea. So take a deep breath. Relax. Listen carefully. Speak with me. And most importantly, have fun.
Are you ready?
Let's start our day together. Good morning, Allie.
Good morning, Noah. It's a beautiful morning today.
It really is. Let's say that together. It's a beautiful morning.
It's a beautiful morning.
Very nice.
I already feel awake.
Me too. Mornings are my favorite time of day. Say it with me. Mornings are my favorite time of day.
Mornings are my favorite time of day. That's a nice sentence.
It is. What do you usually do first?
I usually open the window.
That's a great way to start the day. Let's say it together. I usually open the window.
I usually open the window.
Then, I take a deep breath. The fresh air always makes me feel better. Let's try that sentence together. I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath. That feels relaxing just by saying it.
I know. After that, I make breakfast. Say it with me. I make breakfast.
I make breakfast. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast. Let's say that together. I usually eat eggs and toast.
I usually eat eggs and toast. That sounds delicious.
And of course, I make a cup of coffee. Let's say it together. I make a cup of coffee.
I make a cup of coffee. I usually drink tea.
Tea is a great choice. Say it with me. Tea is a great choice.
Tea is a great choice. This doesn't feel difficult.
That's because we're not trying to memorize anything. We're simply having a conversation.
And speaking naturally.
Exactly. One sentence becomes another, then another. Before you know it, you're speaking English.
I like practicing this way.
I'm glad. Now that breakfast is ready, let's enjoy it together. Breakfast was delicious.
It really was. Now I feel ready for the day.
Me too. Now it's time to get ready.
Where are we going?
I thought we could take a walk.
That sounds nice.
Before we leave, let's put on our shoes. Say it with me. I'm putting on my shoes.
I'm putting on my shoes.
Great. Now let's grab our bag. Together, I'm grabbing my bag.
I'm grabbing my bag. I think I'm ready.
Almost. Don't forget your phone.
Good idea. I almost forgot it.
Let's say that together. I almost forgot my phone.
I almost forgot my phone.
Perfect. Now let's open the door. Say it with me. I'm opening the door.
I'm opening the door. Wow, the weather is beautiful.
It really is. The sun is shining. Let's say it together. The sun is shining.
The sun is shining. It's warm today.
Yes. It's a perfect day for a walk. Together, it's a perfect day for a walk.
It's a perfect day for a walk. Where should we go first?
How about the park?
I'd love that.
Let's start walking.
I'm ready. Let's go.
This park is one of my favorite places.
I can see why. It's so peaceful.
Let's say that together. It's so peaceful.
It's so peaceful.
I like coming here in the morning. The air feels fresh. Say it with me. The air feels fresh.
The air feels fresh. I can hear the birds singing.
Me too. It's a beautiful sound. Let's say it together. It's a beautiful sound.
It's a beautiful sound. There aren't many people here.
That's one reason I like it. It's nice and quiet. Say it with me. It's nice and quiet.
It's nice and quiet. Sometimes it's good to slow down.
I agree. Life can be very busy, but even a short walk can help us relax. Let's say that together. A short walk can help us relax.
A short walk can help us relax. I'm glad we came here.
Me too. Oh, look over there.
A little dog.
He's running so fast.
He looks very happy.
Let's say it together. He looks very happy.
He looks very happy. Seeing happy dogs always makes me smile.
I know exactly what you mean. Simple moments like this make my day better. Say it with me. Simple moments make my day better.
Simple moments make my day better. We've been walking for a while. I'm starting to feel a little thirsty.
Perfect timing. I know a nice little coffee shop nearby.
Really? Let's go.
Come on, it's only a few minutes away.
Here we are. This is my favorite coffee shop.
It's so cozy.
Let's say that together. It's so cozy.
It's so cozy. I really like the atmosphere.
Me too. It always feels warm and welcoming.
Should we go inside?
Of course. Let's go.
Wow, it smells amazing in here.
It does. Say it with me. It smells amazing.
It smells amazing.
What would you like today?
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Great choice. Let's say that together. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
And I'd like a hot chocolate.
That sounds good too.
Now let's imagine we're talking to the cashier. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
See? That was a real conversation.
And it wasn't difficult.
Exactly. Small conversations help us become more confident.
Sometimes I think English has to be complicated.
Actually, the best conversations are often very simple.
I like that. It makes speaking feel much easier.
Our drinks are ready.
That was fast.
Let's find a seat by the window.
Good idea. I like watching people walk by.
Me too. Here's your coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's say one more sentence together. This coffee tastes great.
This coffee tastes great.
This coffee tastes great.
Now, let's sit back, relax, and enjoy our drinks together.
That was a wonderful break.
It really was. The coffee was delicious.
I'm glad you liked it. Shall we keep walking?
I'd love to.
The weather's still beautiful.
Yes. It's the perfect day to be outside.
Let's say that together. It's the perfect day to be outside.
It's the perfect day to be outside.
Look over there. There's a small bookstore.
Oh, I love bookstores.
Me too. I could spend hours looking at books. Let's say it together. I love bookstores.
I love bookstores. Do you read every day?
I try to. Even 10 minutes is enough.
That's a good habit.
Reading teaches us new words without feeling like studying.
I never thought about it that way.
Sometimes learning happens naturally.
Just like today.
Exactly. We're not memorizing long vocabulary lists. We're simply enjoying a conversation.
And somehow, I'm speaking more English than I expected.
That's the magic of practice. One small conversation becomes another, then another.
Hey, I think we're getting hungry again.
Already?
Walking makes me hungry.
I understand. How about a little snack?
That sounds perfect.
I know a place nearby.
Let's go.
Come on, it's just around the corner.
What a wonderful day.
It really was. We did so many things together.
We started the morning at home.
Then we walked through the park.
We enjoyed a nice cup of coffee.
And we explored the town together.
It was a simple day.
But it was a happy one.
Let's say that together. It was a happy day.
It was a happy day.
You know, sometimes people think they need difficult English to improve.
I used to think that too.
But today, we used simple English. And we had real conversations.
It felt natural. I wasn't trying to memorize anything.
Exactly. You were listening, you were speaking, and little by little, you were building confidence.
I think that's my favorite part. Learning without feeling stressed.
I'm happy to hear that. Every small conversation helps you grow. One sentence becomes two. Two sentences become a conversation.
And one conversation becomes confidence.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
I've been practicing.
You certainly have. Before we say goodbye, let's say one last sentence together. Today was a great day.
Today was a great day.
One more time. Today was a great day.
Today was a great day.
Wonderful. Thank you for spending the day with us.
We had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed practicing with us.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.
We'll see you next time.
Take care and have a wonderful day.